Among all metropolitan cities, Chennai is the only city where drivers in four wheelers do not follow the rule of wearing seat belts. Persons not wearing seat belts are liable to pay a penalty of Rs 100 for the first offence and Rs 300 for subsequent offence as per Section 177 of Motor Vehicle Act 1988. The traffic police is looking forward to implement the rule. Not only the car owners, but even the taxi drivers who provide pick and drop services to the localites need to understand that safety should be given the first preference. They should not only make use of the seat belts themselves, but also advise the front seat passengers to wear it.